Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto. Whoa. Okay, Presto. Yeah, your whole eye, like whatever part you Here this guy. Riding on a crosswalk. He knows he's not supposed to be doing that. But anticipating the light. You might as well just eat the shit at this point. Look at that. Is it that serious?
Cash offer, because the market's so hot, people are waiving appraisals, they're waiving everything, and they're just making offers, right? Waiving inspections, they're doing everything. And you get a good solid cash offer on your house, then you can make a really good solid contingency offer and talk them into just waiting until yours closes right quick. Because
there used to be one here.
Manual recording will now start.
Okay, Presto. He's just tailgating hard. Look at that. Why there's no need to tailgate someone that bad. Look at that. Okay, Presto. That's crazy. Look at this shit.
renting, it goes up every year.
Look at this. Triple Park blocking the whole. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god.
Number two.
Okay, Presto.
And then
Like, what the fuck is going on?
Later and move again. None of this is.
No signal. Okay, Presto.